Construction is one of the least digitalized industries. There's a lot of inefficiencies with paper, with duplicate entry.
Procore aims to allow anybody to see the current status of the project and allows people to access all of their drawings, everything on the job site, from the trailer, wherever they are.
Procore is all about making everyone's life in the construction industry a little bit better.
When everyone's working off of the same plans, off of the same communications, you have a better outcome in the end, a better building, a safer job site. And so software's job is to make sure that everyone has the same information, the most up-to-date information.
Developer productivity is extremely valued here at Procore. One way that Procore shows that is that we've made the investment in CircleCI, an exceptional continuous delivery platform that takes a big burden off the local dev to increase our workflow and our time to value, meaning none of our developers need to bother with running a test suite locally or some cumbersome process and asking an ops person to deploy their code.
The ability to add new jobs on your own with low amounts of friction has enabled developers to really target the things that are making them unhappy or making them unproductive and do something to fix it. They can add some new automation or add a new build step that eliminates that toil from their job. And then they're just that much more productive and that much more happy.
Keeping developers happy and enabling them to move as fast as they can is super important so that they can write the features that they need to write for their teams.
The more time that developers are able to spend on producing features for our customers versus toiling in operations is a huge win for the organization.
With our previous CI solution, we were running about 20 to 40 minute builds. Switching to Circle brought us down to about 10 because of the great parallelization it offers.
Keeping builds moving quickly is important for a couple reasons. In situations where we need to push out a patch, it's important that the test can run quickly.
Knowing that our software has such a large impact on people's safety in such a big field as construction, we have no luxury of breaking past features that we've delivered to our customers.
Procore has been growing like crazy in the last few years, and that means a lot of new developers and a lot more people pushing code every day. There are thousands of commits flying around. If we didn't have CircleCI, it would be impossible to handle all of that load and to do any of that safely. With 300 people pushing to the same repo, the code base gets pretty huge and the test suite gets really long.
If we were to run our specs sequentially, I believe they would take about 10 hours. CircleCI allows us to get down to about 10-minute specs, really quickly knowing whether we've broken the build, so we might be able to avoid any customer impact whatsoever. The whole point of tests is to be very rapid, very iterable. If your test suite's running in more than just a couple seconds, you could probably benefit from CircleCI.
We've been using Circle from when we were a very small company, and it's been able to grow with us all along our very hyper growth phase, and now we do really complex integrations and workflows here at Procore.
CircleCI allows me to not think about the CI pipeline. Scaling it, configuring it, making sure that it's working properly. There are so many things going on every day that not worrying about the CI pipeline is such a relief.